These pliers are so tight I can barely open them. I'll show you a real easy fix. Not all penetrating fluid is created equal, but they will all work. Kroil works the best of the things that you can buy. WD-40 is probably the least effective. Liquid wrench is just about as good as Kroil at a fraction of the price, but the best you'd have to make. Transmission fluid and acetone mixed together is the best. You can look at all the studies and it's about twice as good as Kroil. Now you do have to shake this mixture up because they don't keep in suspension, but that's no problem. Just shake it up when you use it. Even motor oil work in an application like this. Just pushing and pulling this about 50 times and we are just about there. And now this seized pair of pliers is ready to see some action. So this is how you can fix your seized pliers in about 3 minutes. So I hope you found this information useful. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.